Hello everyone, this is Shubham Raj. In this video, I'm gonna talk about B plus trees. So let's get started. Here I have mentioned a question in which we have to insert some elements in the B plus tree and delete some element from the B plus trees. Let us first know about some term which is used in this tree. First term, key. Key is the maximum number of elements in the node. Suppose if we have key equal to 3, then there are only 3 children. Maximum number of children in any node is only 3. And the number of children of this node is equal to whatever the number of key plus 1. It means if n equal to 4, it means n is the number of children that this node have, and n minus 1, which is equal to 3, is the key of this node. So the key becomes, if n equal to 4, then key becomes 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. Okay, now let us quickly jump to the solution of this question. Here what we have to do, we have to insert some element in the B plus tree, and after the insertion process we need to delete some elements from the B plus tree. Now first we do the insertion. Here the first element is 1, so we need to insert 1. Here we have taken n equal to 4. It means we have maximum n number of elements in any node, and it is the maximum number which is equal to n minus 1, and minimum number equal to n minus 1 by 2, which is equal to 3 by 2, which is equal to 1 point something. So let's take 1. Okay, now we have to first insert 1, so we have inserted 1. After inserting 1, we have 2 space empty. Now we need to insert 4, so we have inserted, in the second step we have inserted 4 is done. Now we have to insert 7. In the third step we have inserted 7. Now after the third insertion, when we want to insert the fourth element, which is 17, we see that the node is full. We don't have enough space to put 17 in this node. So what we need to do is we need to break this node. How we can break? We just put whatever the element we need to add. Like if we need to add 17, so there are total 17 elements. There are total 4 elements including 17. So if we include 17 in this node, the total number of elements in this node is 4, which is violating our condition. So we need to break this node. So what we do, we just find the midpoint of this 4 element, which comes out to be 4. So we need to break from the 4. So what we do is the middle element, we just put the middle element upwards. It means we shift the middle element upwards, like I did in this step. 4 is moved upward and 1 is on the left side of 4, and 4, 7, 10, these all are on the right side of the 4. One thing I just forgot to mention here, whatever things which comes left to the element, like left to the 4, is strictly less than 4, and whatever elements which comes right to the element, that is greater than or equal to 4. So after we have inserted 10, now we need to insert, we have completed the insertion of 10. So yeah, now we need to insert 17. So in the next step we see 17 comes after 10, after 4 and after 10. So after 10, if we insert 17, it also violating our condition, because maximum number of element in this node can be only 3. So we need to just find out the minimum, find out the middle element, which is 7. Now put 7 upward, 7 here, and same thing, just copy down. After 7, 10 and 17 elements are there. Now we have done with the insertion of 17. Now next element we need to insert is 21. So what we have done in the previous insertion, we have add 17. Now here we need to insert 21 because 21 is greater than 17. So if we insert 21 here, it will violating our condition. It is maximum capacity of any node is 3, but here if I insert 21, it will be 4. So what we need to do, we need to follow the same step. We need to find the midpoint of this node including 21, which comes out to be 10, and in the next step we put 10 upward in the above node. So you can see in the video what I have done. Okay, so this is the process. Now next we need to insert 28. So 28 comes after 21. If we insert the 28 here, then it also violating the condition. So what we need to do, we need to just put the 28 in the above node. But if we put 21 here, it also violating the condition, because any node have maximum capacity of 3 element. So what we need to do, we need to perform here same process. We need to find the middle element and put this element in the just above of this level. So we just, what I have done, you can see I have just put the 7 upward, and 4 comes to the left of 7 and 10 comes to the right of 7. So whatever the elements previously that are just copied, and 10 and 17 here are just included. Okay, fine. So we have inserted the element which is 28 here. Fine. Now the next element we need to insert is 31. So we see that if we insert 31 here, same condition violating here. So we need to just put 31 upwards in the upward node. But if we see that in the upward node there are only 2 elements, so we can insert one more element. So 21 can be easily shifted here without any problem. Now 21 is the 21 is the middle element of this. We are inserting 31, and here if we insert 31, 21 is the middle, so we just put 21 upward. And what I have said already, that this node contain only 2 elements, so one element can also be there in this node. So 21 can be easily shifted here. So in this way we have inserted the 31 here. Now next we need to insert 42 in the same manner. Here if we insert 42 here, you see that this node will violating our condition. So what we need to do is, we need to just break this node and put the middle element towards the upper node. If we put 28 is the middle node, if we put 28 element number 28 here, it will also violating a condition. So we need to also break this node and find out the middle element, which is 17. Now put 17 in the upward nodes. So here what I have done, 17 is put it in the upward node, and rest element whatever on the left side which is less than 17, and on the right side which is greater than 17. So we have enough space to insert 42 here, as you can see from the video. Fine. So we have done with our insertion process in the B plus tree. Now we need to perform second operation, which is deletion. So previously we have calculated this tree, so we have to delete 42. Here you can see from the previous what we have inserted 42. here is 42, so here we want to delete 42 so this is the leaf node, and you can see all leaf nodes are connected to each other. This is very necessary in the B plus tree. Here since 42 is a leaf node element, so we can simply just discard it without any further calculation. So here we have discarded 42, so this is done with 42. Now we need to delete 4. So if we delete 4, so we need to first check from the leaf node. If we delete 4, we need to also delete 4 from here. So we see that this node is empty, so minimum number of element in this node what we have calculated is 1. So this is also violating condition. So what we do is we just merge this two node we are merging. So 4 has deleted, so it becomes 10 and 7, because we no more needed 7 on the upward node, so we bring down 7 on the lower node, and we just copied the previous element, whatever the elements we have previously. 1, 4 is deleted, so 7 is there, 10, and on this side whatever the elements which is previously here, that is just copied here. So this is the final answer of the question. We have finally done with the insertion and deletion process. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please give thumbs up to this video, and if you have any query, just comment down in the comment section. I will reply to you. Thank you guys.